Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and this is a fold over box, and it measures 2 by 2 by 4 inches. So that is 5 by 5 by 10 centimetres. And it folds over, and I'll show you that when it closes up, because I daren't undo the ribbon. That's such a pretty bow that if I undid it, I'd never get it done back up again. But I'm going to show you how to make it. Uses the Beauty Abounds stamp set, which is just delightful, and I love it. Here it is. It does come with a die as well, so you can buy it on its own or as a bundle. I actually love it on its own. I do love the dies. They are just amazing and incredibly intricate. But I particularly love this bit. So I'm going to show you how to score it, then stamp, then build. So you need a piece of cardstock that measures 10 by 8 inches. In metric, that's 25 by 28 centimetres, and you're going to score every 2 inches along, every 5 centimetres. So at 2, 4, 6 and 8, or 5, 10, 15 and 20. And then rotate it round and score it at 2 and 6, which is 5 and 15. Okay, so I'm going to stamp now before I start building. Actually, no, I'm going to trim first. So we've got, when I look at it in this fashion, I've got 5 little squares here, and I need to, I want to keep this, the second and fourth, so 1, 3 and 5 we're getting rid of, we're keeping 2 and 4. Well, we're not getting rid of them completely, we're keeping them straight. So you wedge number 1 and chop a bit off. So that's number 1. Going to keep 2 as it is, and we're going to do the same with that one on that and that. And I need to do this before stamping so that I don't stamp the wrong bit. This is Blushing Bride. When we had Pink Pirouette, this always looked like a really grubby pink. If you put it next to Petal Pink, it looks delightful. So I've done that on one side. I'm going to do exactly the same round here. So wedge and chop and hack about boxes 1, 3 and 5. And I haven't burnished yet, just because the cardstock's going to lay flatter for stamping at this point. So there we go, that's what we're left with. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way to do my stamping, and I'm going to go with this beautiful floral filigree image. Is that going to be big enough? I think it probably is. And I'm going to go with lovely lipstick. So this one was Balmy Blue with Blueberry Bushel. So a subtle with an in colour. And I'm doing the same. So I'm going with a subtle with an in colour. So lovely lipstick. And I'm going to do, as you can see, we've got 5 panels here. And I'm going to alternate the direction of it. That looks lovely. Over the Petal Pink. No, Blushing Bride. And I've gone straight on this one. I went as more of a diagonal swirl on the other. That's okay. I don't mind. We might make that one the back. I didn't press hard enough there, did I? Okay. So I'm going to put that to one side, and I'm going to bring out my butterflies now. So I've got 2 butterflies, and on this one you can see I've used this one that's flying sideways, which is this little one here. Now, I want to get my butterfly the right way up. So I know that's now going to be the back. So this is going to be the top, and this is going to fold round. So I need to get this butterfly flying the right way up. Okay, and then you rotate and you get this butterfly flying the right way up, so that when it folds down on the outside, she's flying the right way round. You can do the same on this one if you want to, but bear in mind it's going to fly the other way up, or slightly facing downwards. But do double check first. So I know this is going to be the back now. Right, so let's get some adhesive going on. So I'm going to put some there. Some there. Oh, I haven't burnished yet, have I? Possibly need to do that next. Okay, let's quickly burnish. This is why I cut after burnishing. Like I'm holding 15 bits of cardstock down. Well, I suppose it's 10. Right, okay, which side was the back? So that's the back and the bottom. So peel all these bits off. So fold that one round and this one next to it, and now as you can see my butterfly's the right way up, and do the same here. Fold it round and close it. Oops, tuck that bit inside and close it. And that well, she went a bit skewy, but she's the right way round. Fold this one round and this one round, and when I close it, oh look, my butterflies are the right way up. How cute. And when you open it, you've got stamping on there and there and there. Very sweet. Right, let me get some ribbon on here now. So I've come underneath and I'm going to cross on the top, wrap it under and back round again to the end. And what I'm going to do with this one that's wrapped around everywhere, it's going to go under the whole lot and it anchors it all in place. And then it means that I can tie my bow. Oh, look at that. That's a good bow. Ooh, I like this ribbon. Tie off my ends and I can just shimmy it around until it's in the place I want it to be. There we go. And then I'm going to measure up. Oh, what did I do with all those scraps of... Oh, they're all under here. Here we go. So I've got these scraps and I want to make sure that one of these is going to fit on there because that's a good square. I want to trim it down a tiny little bit. So I'm going to go with hello. I could go with thanks. That would work and fit. I'll go with hello. No, I won't. I'm going to go with thanks. That's going to fit on there nicely. So a little block. Oh, it's the wrong colour. Where did that come from? Was that a past project? Must have been. Okay. Let me get the end. So I'm thinking that's lovely lipstick, but that was underneath my notes to my left. This is a little bit at the bottom of the cardstock when I cut my box out. Okay, and I want the other butterflies and another little block. on there, and then I'm going to do the brave thing. I'm just going to cut. Tra-la, and that will stick under there nicely. So I'm going to have a dimensional on the back. Off to one side, because it is going to poke out a little bit. Slip it under there. And that, I think, is just charming. I love the stamp set. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. You can do a really clever colour bleed where you pick up a little bit of the colour with Wing Pastella or an aqua painter or a blender pen and make the colour bleed. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Hope you like the boxes too. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.